Hello and welcome to Kathy's Creative Place. I have some cards I'm going to share with you. I made these from the August Craftology box from Country Craft Creations. This paper line is also available in the store. It is called um, Celebrate Autumn, and it's by Echo Park. So I have my first card here that I have. I made a shaker card, and rather than putting, like the little beads and um, sequins and that kind of shaker elements, I just put little fussy cut pieces of the imagery from the pattern paper in here, and I just thought that was really cute. The background um, in the shaker, I have a die cut of cute little birch tree, and I also fussy cut this cute little owl and perched him up on the branch, and then I added some other fussy cut elements, a couple acorns, and some cute little berries. These also have glossy accents, just to give them a little bit of a shine and dimension. And then I also used some jute twine and wound it around my card. I added a flower from my stash and some additional fussy cut elements. And then this card is 4.5 by 6 inches, and it's a top folding card, so it can be displayed like this. I tend to make those types of cards more often than those that sit like this, because if you display it like on a desk or something, it's easier to see, or it kind of pops out rather than having something like this. So that's my reasoning behind that. So anyway, you open this, and then on the inside I have this cute little chipboard element. It's kind of holding my twine so it doesn't fall off of the card. And then the inside I have some of the pretty plaid pattern, and then a 3x4 cut apart that says "Give thanks with a grateful heart." And these cards make great autumn greeting cards, or even Thanksgiving type give thanks cards. I love fall. I love fall papers too. My next one is a 6x6, and I used some burlap fabric, and then I matted my pattern paper on top of it. And then I used some of the seam binding that comes with the collection, wrapped it around the card, and then a 3x4 cut apart that says "Oh Fall, it's nice to see you again." And I also popped that up on, actually I think I used chipboard. It's a little bit more sturdier than like fun foam or foam dots. And then I added a couple more fussy cut elements, again glossy accents for my little berries. And then this cute little acorn is from the chipboard pieces that come with the collection as well. And then for the inside, I also included another piece of burlap, a 4x4 cut apart, and then the little wooden leaf elements that came in the collection I used kind of as a bottom border, along with some older Prima flowers. I still love these. I have hundreds of them, but I still love to use them on my cards. And then I put just a little enamel dot for the middle. It says "Thankful." And then my next one, fairly simple card. This one again, I believe, is 4.5. Yeah, 4.5 by 6. And again, top folding card. And this is not a cut apart from the collection. It's actually a little scene that I created, fussy cutting some of the elements from the pumpkin paper, even this cute little pumpkin sign. And then I added some grass from a Lawn Fawn die that I have, and then matted it on top of this pretty orange and turquoise background paper. And then again, I wound some twine around the top of the card, and then added um, a cute little flower, Prima flower with an enamel dot. This one I did not anchor because it was at the top of the card. It's not likely to fall off like the shaker card I showed earlier. And then for my inside, I took a 3x4 cut apart that says sweater weather, and I matted it on some of the ivory artisan cardstock, and completed it with a cute little ribbon bow. So that's that one. And then for my last one, another cut apart. All the cut aparts are just perfect in this collection. Really, really versatile. I mean, you can actually make birthday cards for like someone that has a fall birthday. The cut aparts are really, really pretty, and they can fit a lot of different things. So this one I used uh, Happy Fall. It has this cute little acorn, and then I have this little tag die. I just cut out 3 tags and put them on the side underneath my cut apart. Added some jute twine for some bows, and then I also created a double loop bow with the polka dot sheer ribbon that comes in the Craftology box kit, and then a little rose with a couple fussy cut leaves. And then on the inside is another 4x4 cut apart, and I just used some baker's twine with a triple loop bow, and also added another little Prima flower with an enamel dot. And this is actually a tag that's part of the cut apart, but it's really cute. It says Autumn Blessings. And that is the last card. So those are the 4 that I've created so far. And I'm sure I'm probably going to be doing several more because I just love creating fall cards. Thanks for stopping by and letting me share these with you. Hope to see you soon.